weather bulletin.
Weather message. Severe thunderstorm watch number 406 remains in effect until 8 o'clock p.m. and now includes the following counties in West Virginia, Marshall and Wetzel, and Greene County, Pennsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.